I have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Anupam Kanodia, rank 50, AIMS, November 2015 PGME entrance exam. Wonderful rank, wonderful performance. I take this opportunity to welcome him in the DAMS studio. Welcome, Dr. Anupam. How are you feeling on your success?
It's a nice feeling, but I think had I studied better, I could have done better also.
Well, I think it's you have every reason to be happy. You have got a wonderful rank here, but that's too modest on your part. Anyway, on your achievement, on this wonderful thing, what is the secret of your success? Our listeners are really eager to know that.
I think it's a mix of wonderful friends, wonderful family, wonderful family support, and the thing that I studied in my formative years, that's the third year and the fourth year, I studied the standard textbooks, and that's Harrison's Bailey Love and O.P. Ghai for Peach. I think that basically formed a good base for me. And though in internship I did not study much from the MCQ books or the so-called PG oriented study, still I managed a decent rank, and that's mainly because I studied from the standard text in my formative years.
Well, that's very nice and valuable input that you have given here to our listeners. Now that we've started talking on this, how on the method of, on the secret of your success, let me just ask you straight away, how was DAMS useful in your preparation?
I joined DAMS as a foundation course student during my third year, and the main benefit of DAMS was that it gave me a concise material during that third year, and I used to revise that material before going to the postings, and it helped me form a base very quickly so that I could catch up with the standard textbooks later on. And during the internship I attended selective T&Ds, and that also helped me during the AIMS examination.
One very important aspect in PG preparation is the management of time. We would be really honored if you tell us how did you manage your time.
I don't think that's a very broad question actually. Everyone can manage the time on their own, and I think it will be better if people manage the time accordingly. I managed my time. I used to attend like 4 to 6 hours of internship, or maybe less if it permits, and then dedicate most of my time after May to the preparation of AIMS November exam. But that was after May, so maybe I was like 4 to 5 months short, and if possible I'll appear for May AIMS again and maybe manage a decent rank.
Oh, well, very much sure. You still have a very decent rank. We're talking to Dr. Anupam Kanodia, rank 50, AIMS, November 2015 PGME exam. Now that we're talking of preparing for a tough exam like PGME, may I ask you, what was your method of preparation? Was it selective study or extensive study or going subjective, or how did you really prepare?
I'm a selective study kind of person. I first make sure that I've studied the basics well, and then I go for the more harder or more it's basically like a pyramid only. First you manage the bases and then you go for the apex. So that's my kind of study. I first go through the text, like just flipping through the text, and then I mark the important points and then revise them again and again.
Now that we've been talking a lot about the preparation, the method of preparing and the time management, what in your words would be your perfect mix of success?
I don't think there's any such thing as a perfect mix of success. I think whosoever is determined to do and whosoever is willing to put hard work into it can succeed.
That's very nicely and very modestly put. I think it's more than hard work, because you have been working very hard. I know that. I've been to AIMS from past 5 years now. We go every year in AIMS, conducting Pulse Fest. We are with the title sponsors, and then I interact with the students. I've been seeing that you are a very hard-working person. And now we all know, taking this conversation to the next level, that we all know that DAMS is quite active on the Facebook. We have a DAMS exclusive Facebook club. How is your experience about the same?
I think DAMS exclusive club is one of the best things about DAMS, and जब भी मुझे लगता था कि I'm getting bored with the usual bookish stuff, I used to just flip through the page, and there was always 1 or 2 updates, useful updates, which give you an extra edge over the others. The updates, the recent updates, especially by Dr. Deepti Bahl, Dr. Sumer Sethi, Dr. Rohan Khandelwal. These are very useful updates, and I think they give you an extra edge over the others especially when you are preparing for a competition like AIMS, which focuses on recent stuff rather than the usual bookish knowledge which almost everyone has. So अगर maybe जो आप जब बुक से बोर हो जाते हैं तो DAMS Exclusive Club was my go-to place.
Very good, very nice, and that's very honestly put by you. As we all know, Dr. Anupam, that DAMS is conducting a DVT session at Talkatora Stadium, every year. It's a 3-day session. And also we conduct various CBTs, that is the computer-based test I'm referring to. Did you attend our DVT or take this CBT?
No, I attended neither of that, but I've heard from people that it was a good experience.
Oh, that's very nice. Yes, indeed, it was. Many of the students are benefited by such sessions that are conducted by DAMS. We have, a wide range of our publications, be it the CRS or the Last Look or the Harrison's Notebook. I hope definitely you've also gone through them. How do you find them?
I didn't go through any of these. I mostly depended on the standard text only, and I flipped through the MCQs and referred them from standard text only, and that's how I prepared for PG exams. I did not read up any guides or any text from such books.
Okay. That's okay. And let me just ask you that you spend some time with DAMS during the preparation, right? And what changes do you find in yourself? Right from the day of joining till the day you took the exam. Definitely, it's a long time you have spent with DAMS while preparing. A lot of changes have come professionally and personally in you. So, how DAMS association while preparation help you, or may bring out any good changes in you to take an exam like PGME?
I think the best part of such a place is that you meet people from all other colleges as well. At AIMS, we are a confined group. We are a small group of about 70 students only. So when you come to such a place where people from other colleges also are coming, so you get to know how the others are preparing also, and you get oriented to an exam like PG. The main aim of college is to make you a good doctor. They are not focused on PG stuff. So DAMS का काम था PG rank दिलवाना. I think DAMS very much succeeded in it.
Well, thank you very much for your kind inputs. And let me remind my listeners here, I'm talking to Dr. Anupam Kanodia, rank 50, AIMS November 2015 PGME exam. Now that we are talking at length on your experience with DAMS, which faculty in DAMS influenced you most?
Personally, I think Dr. Deepti Bahl, Dr. Rajiv Tiwari in surgery, Dr. Sumer Sethi in radiology were some of the finest teachers. The Derma faculty also, I don't remember her name. The ENT faculty, Dr. Deepak Arora, Dr. Tushar Mehta in orthopedics. These were some of the best faculties here.
And I hope all my listeners are listening to this, and indeed they are the best, and in fact all the faculty attempts are as good as they are. You have got a wonderful rank, Dr. Anupam. Which branch you wish to specialize in? Have you decided on that yet?
No, I have not decided on that yet, but I think I'll go for Optha if available.
Well, we are very much sure whatever branch you're going to take, you're definitely going to excel. You're a wonderful person, a great scholar. Any advice for your juniors, Dr. Anupam?
I think the best piece of advice that I can give is go for the standard textbooks. They are the ones which will get you a rank. All that guidebooks and all the MCQ questions and all the coaching preparations are all supplementary to that. They can't make you. They can't get you a good base. The standard textbooks are what will get you a good base, and you build up on that by reading the MCQs and coaching notes and by attending classes.
Would you recommend DAMS to them?
Yeah, I think DAMS is a good place to be in during your foundation year.
That's great. Thank you very much, Dr. Anupam Kanodia, rank 50, AIMS November 2015. We wish you all the best in life, Dr. Anupam. All the best.
Thank you, Mr. Ayush.
Thank you.